ये मेरा रिमार्केबल 2 टैबलेट है और मसला क्या है, ये आप बटन देख, ये गिरा नीचे और बटन अंदर चला गया एंड इट स्टक, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट व्हाट आई हैव ऑन द डिस्प्ले is this. Okay, so it's not turning off, it's not cancelling, it's just stuck, it's frozen. And so I have taken the risk to make use of my little toolkit to open it up. Wasn't easy. I had to heat it up first using air, the hot gun, and then the same that's used for drying the hair. Okay, and then I open it up. Now the next step I think is to remove this panel because that's where it's stuck, and then I'll see what's causing it to be stuck here. Now I have removed one screw and there is another screw here. That's one screw and the other is here that I've been able to remove. ये मैं अब कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. I'm trying to remove this. Okay, so here I go. So here are the two screws. You need to keep them very, very safe. They're very small. I was not able to remove this panel even after removing these two screws. And so I had to peel off the entire remarkable back panel, all right? And so now I'll give it another try because I think that removing the back panel will make my job easier. Let's see. Let's see, I think it needed a lot more heating. So actually you have to find the screws inside these tunnels. Okay, so I made the mistake of removing these screws on the sides of these tunnels. Okay, I removed the screw here and I remove the screw here, and that's not what you have to do. You have to remove the screw inside this tunnel, okay? And once those are removed, this panel will come off. So it's coming off now, and now we have to see whether we can fix the button which is stuck, whether we can unstuck this power button or not. Okay, let's see. Guys, here is the power button that I've taken out. As you can see, it's damaged on this end. Fine here. Now here, I need to be able to straighten it, just like on this side, without damaging any further. So any ideas that people watching this video out there might have, please do write in the comment. Any suggestions for the tools and how to use them, I'll be really grateful. Once I fix it, I'll remake this video and leave it on the YouTube for you to watch. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.